Hello, today we're going to talk about circular imports in Python. To understand it better, let's use a short story. Meet our characters, Anna and Bob. Anna has one mission, and Bob has another mission. Anna has mission 1. She needs to ask Bob for help to complete her mission. Bob has mission 2. He needs to ask Anna for help to complete his mission. This creates a problem. Anna can't complete her mission without Bob, and Bob can't complete his mission without Anna. They are stuck in this mutual dependency. You might be wondering, why can't Anna just ask for help and then help Bob? This happens because each one depends on the other to start. They are in a cycle of dependency that can't be easily broken. Imagine that Anna needs Bob to start first, but Bob needs Anna to start first. Neither of them can move forward without the other. In the programming world, this is called a circular import. It's when two or more modules depend on each other to function. Let's see an example in code. Imagine we have two modules, module Anna.py and module Bob.py. In module Anna.py, we have the following code, and in module Bob.py, we have the following code. When you try to import module Anna or module Bob, Python enters a loop trying to resolve the dependencies, causing an error. How can we solve this? The solution is to reorganize your code to avoid this circular dependency. One way to do this is to move the imports inside the functions that need them. Let's see how the updated module Anna.py looks. And here is the updated module Bob.py. Now, Anna and Bob can complete their missions without problems. And in Python, this solves our circular imports. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.